everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you tried to watch a YouTube video but got a message saying it's blocked in your country, or maybe the video just won't play at all, yeah, it's frustrating, but there's actually a reason behind it. In this video, I'll explain why YouTube content gets blocked and what's really going on behind the scenes. So, the first one is regional restrictions. So, the most common reason is geo restrictions. So, on YouTube, some videos are only available in certain countries due to licensing agreements. So, for example, a music video or a movie clip might be allowed in one country but blocked in another. The second reason is copyright and licensing issues. Now, content owners control where their videos can be shown. So, if a company doesn't have rights in your country, YouTube is required to block that video in your region. So, this is very common with music videos, TV shows, or movie clips. Now, the third reason is content restrictions or violations. So, sometimes videos are blocked because they violate YouTube policies. So, this includes copyright strikes, community guideline violations, or removed or restricted uploads. Next reason is network restrictions, whether it's school or work. So, if you're using school Wi Fi or a work network, access to YouTube may be limited. Administrators can block certain content or even the entire platform. Another reason is if you're using VPN or wrong location detection. So, if you're using a VPN, YouTube might detect a different location. This can cause videos to appear blocked even if they're normally available in your country. Now, even if your settings are correct, some videos are permanently restricted in certain regions, and that's controlled by the content owner, not YouTube itself. Now, if a YouTube video isn't available, try tracking your location settings or switching networks. Sometimes that alone fixes the issue. And that's why YouTube content gets blocked. It's not a bug, it's usually due to licensing, location, or restrictions behind the scene. And that's basically it. I hope this helped you understand the issue. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next one.